Hello everyone, through this course you will learn many things which makes anyone able to enter the ethical hacking. So that you will learn ways to handle any file, folder or path regardless of its format. Also, I will teach you step by step how can you create, delete and rename any file or folder and many advanced stuff. And the most thing is you will learn the data filtering method with any formula you want. Choose as the professional hackers. As at in this course, I will teach you how to hack any Android device and social networking sites in detail into the end. You will learn how to control any Android device only through the command. Also, the most important orders of the Kali Linux and the penetration testing. In this course, you will learn also the most common that a hacker used to control the victim after the hack. Also, I will teach you how to install any tool you want, just as I will teach you how to use and install Metasploit framework, also install and configure ngrok. And I will teach you how to gather information like mobile phone numbers, contacts, SMS and etc. So what you waiting for? Enroll in the course today.